This is a flip through of a journal I made using Audie Mays and Tracy Fox collaboration called Herbal Remedies journal kit. I recycled the cereal box for the cover. It has metal corners on the cover. Cute little rusted pin with some beads on it, some glass beads. One of my faux metal charms and a little glass bead dangle. This one is held closed with a hitching post and elastic. There's ruffled fabric. Inside the front cover is 3 journaling cards. And then there's also a flip up for journaling spots. Then it opens up. I have a magnetic closure. And this is where this one was. There's also that creates the pocket. And there's also a flip up over here for journaling. Lots of stamping with number stamps. A little booklet on the back of it all. And it closes up. And this becomes a pocket with a pocket here, and then the other pocket that was on the other page that's here. A vintage wildflower book, wildflowers of, I think it was Britain, that I have, that I put a pocket on the back with a journaling card that's been stamped and line stamped. This is from the kit. Lots of stenciling, some handmade paper pieces, handmade tissue paper pieces that I've used to decorate. Lots of stenciling and such. On this side I put a window, made a window pocket using the papers with a little tag in that with one of those fabric ruffles. Various papers. Most have been stenciled and stamped. Another vintage book page from a botanical book. Some more of that tissue that's been colored. Vintage ledger paper. Another pocket. It's been collaged on. This is back to some, also some handmade paper that I've stamped on and that, and made a collage on this tag. And never stop exploring. It's been stitched around. This is one of the tags that came with the kit. It's one of the bigger tags that I've double printed. It has sari silk and some hand-dyed muslin. Some more of that vintage page. Coffee and tea-dyed pages. A printable ledger that I've doubled up for strength. The center has this little booklet that has 2 large tags from the kit that's been large line stamped on. Some waxed hemp cord. It's a 5-hole pamphlet stitch that attaches directly to the spine. Another large tag. These 2 pockets were made out of an envelope I had. A large card envelope that I folded in half and made pockets with. Some more collage work and some lined paper. Lots of stenciling. 2 tags in this pocket. More collage work. Some collage on the little tag. And printed on both sides of that cover stock. Go Kitty. It's lots of pages. Lots of journaling spots. Another window pocket with stamped hand-dyed papers. Some collage work. Another one of those fabric ruffles on that tag. Some stenciling. I used a lot of the forest moss green distress ink. More of that vintage botanical book. It's got beautiful illustrations. Another little pocket with a journaling card that's also been stamped and line stamped. That came with the kit. My business card in the little pocket, which could be removed and put whatever you want in there. I created 2 slots on the back page and put in these 2 tags with journaling spots on them. Have to get a ruler. These measure, and this is the back page. I just did a lot of collage work and some glossy accented butterflies. It measures 7 inches by 4 3/4 with a little over a 1/2 inch spine, and each of the holes have an eyelet put in for the 5-hole pamphlet stitch. The front more glossy accent butterflies and numbers, and some waxed the letters. I've waxed them and coated them. So, yep, let me count the pages for you. So it's 32 pages or 64 sides to journal on. Closed up, it measures nearly 1 1/4 inches. And with the elastic, you can put a lot of stuff in there. So thank you for looking, and have a great night.